5 Ways a Plunge Pool Can Unlock Your Healthy Lifestyle. Dear friends, there are countless reasons why you might want a pool. But did you know that one of those reasons is that swimming is one of the healthiest ways to exercise? Of course, you are, because you're one smart cookie. But something you may have missed is that plunge pools can be just as healthy and conducive to exercising as a lap pool. In fact, for some specific pool owners' needs, a plunge pool can be even healthier and convenient than other pools. First of all, what exactly is a plunge pool? Plunge pools were originally designed for, you guessed it, plunging. This means plunge pools are typically compact pools that can fit in small backyards with little to no trouble. They are uniformly square. Plunge pools are commonly shallow, to encourage swimmers to wade and relax in the water, or to cool off. Health benefit 1, a good way to relax. A plunge pool's small surface area is designed to encourage swimmers to either lounge by the splash deck or to simply submerge oneself quickly and conveniently. If you're looking for an even more relaxed swim, then you may consider installing a mineral water system with your plunge pool, to soothe your skin and experience a softer feel to your pool's water. A quick swim in a plunge pool will noticeably lower your stress levels. Health benefit 2, a heated swim. You may be thinking, why bother installing a heated plunge pool if you can simply purchase a spa instead? The key difference, however, is far more distinct. Whereas a spa can only be heated, you may opt to only heat your plunge pool in winter. A spa will be hot year-round and typically, its usage will drop off in the summer months. With a plunge pool, however, you can enjoy the therapeutic benefits you normally would from a spa whilst also enjoying the cool, refreshing dips you so long for in summer. Additionally, spending time in a heated pool or spa a few hours before bed can relax you and lead to deeper sleeps. Health benefit 3, an easy way to learn swimming for beginners. If you're interested in taking on a healthier lifestyle, but are feeling a little intimidated by the sheer number of strokes, exercises and safety tips to learn, then a plunge pool is the perfect pool for you. Instead of having to perform a dozen or so laps at 6 a.m. in the morning, a plunge pool will allow you a convenient, short aquatic workout in your home. Even regular swimming, including just staying afloat, engages your core and stretches out your body's muscles. Health benefit 4, a plunge pool's small size brings big surprises. A plunge pool is significantly more affordable than medium or large-sized pools and is extremely easy to fit into any and all homes because of its small size. Additionally, fiberglass plunge pools are naturally better at retaining heat than their concrete counterparts. This can be further enhanced by a pool cover, meaning that your heating and maintenance costs will plummet. A plunge pool is the perfect and most convenient way to introduce yourself and your family to a healthier lifestyle. Health benefit 5, a cold plunge can increase your productivity. Plunging yourself into cold water, even for just a few seconds, has proven benefits for your body. Cold water has been known to release hormones and endorphins in your body by stimulating your nerves. This releases a number of healing properties for your body and can help relieve joint pain and even reduce stress on your muscles. Lastly, a cold swim will shock your mind awake and leave you feeling refreshed and more alert. Watch your productivity skyrocket. Now that you know the amazing benefits of plunge pools, I think you're ready for the final, secret benefit: plunge pools are just plain fun. If you like swimming and don't want to commit to an oversized, Olympic pool, then plunge pools are the way to go. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.